Hi guys, welcome back to Math Feed. In this video, we'll learn how to solve system of linear equations by using substitution method. So let us move to the first problem. 2x plus y equals to 11, x minus y equals to 1. These are two equations. So we need to take any one variable, either x or y. Uh, we need to make subject out of it and substitute in other equation. Okay, now let us take second equation. Even we can take first equation, but just randomly I'm taking second equation. X equals to y plus 1. So if we replace the x value in first equation, it becomes 2 into y plus 1 plus y equals to 11, which is 2y plus 2 plus y equals to 11, which is 3y plus 2 equals to 11. This implies 3y equals to 9, which implies y equals to 3. So we got y value. Now let us substitute the y value in any of the equation. I am taking second equation and substituting. So x minus 3 equals to 1, which implies x equals to 1 plus 3, which is 4. So we got xy values as 4 comma 3. Let us substitute this in the original equation and see whether it satisfies or not to verify. 4 comma 3. First equation, 2 into 4 plus 3 equals to 8 plus 3, which is 11. Same, so satisfied. Similarly, second, 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Given also 1, so satisfied. So the solution is 4 comma 3. Now let us move on to the second problem. 3x plus 2y equals to 14, x minus 4y equals to minus 2. Now again, x minus 4y equals to minus 2, which implies x equals to 4y minus 2. So let us replace this in the first equation. 3x plus, sorry, x need to replace, right? 3 into 4y minus 2 plus 2 into y equals to 14 becomes 3 into 4 is 12. 12y minus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2y equals to 14. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14y minus 6 equals to 14, which implies 14y equals to 20. Y equals to 20 by 14, which is 10 by 7, because 2 tens are 2 sevens are 10 by 7. Now let us solve for x. Let us solve for x. X minus 4 into 10 by 7 equals to minus 2. X equals to 4 into 10, 40 by 7 minus 2. If we bring it to this side, becomes plus. Now how to solve this? 7 into 2 is 14. 40 minus 14 by 7, which is 26 by 7. X equals to 26 by 7. Y equals to 10 by 7. Let us move to the third problem. 5x plus 3y equals to 19. 2x minus y equals to 4. Why I am always taking second equation is because here the coefficients are less. Here more. I mean, it is easy to make subject out of subject. Making y as subject and solving it is easy. That's why 2x minus y equals to 4. Y equals to 2x minus 4. Now let us substitute this in first equation. 5x plus 3 into y, 2x minus 4 equals to 19. See, why we are substituting this second equation's y value in first or second equation's x value in first is because we need to find a solution for this two linear equations. Solution exists at certain point, both where at certain point they will intersect, right? So that point is common for both the lines. If the point is common, then these coordinates are also common, which is x is common, y is common. So here we are trying to find this particular point, uh, assuming that they have solution by keep substituting one value in another. Now coming to the equation, 5x plus 3 into 2, 6x minus 3 into 4 is 12 equals to 19, which is 11x. 5 plus 6 is 11, 11x minus 12 equals to 19, which in turn becomes 11x equals to 31, x equals to 31 by 11. 31 by 11. Now let us solve for y. 2x minus y equals to 4. 2 into 31 by 11 minus y equals to 4. Y equals to 2 into 31 is 62 by 11. If you bring this side and bring this to other side, it becomes minus 4. 62 minus 11 into 4, 44 by 11, which is 18 by 11.